Hello, children. How are you? Welcome to the English class. Hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to study the poetry The Sparrow. The Sparrow has been written by the poet Paul Laurence Dunbar. Let's read something about the poem. The poem is about a sparrow that came to the poet's window. Despite its chirping and hopping, the poet didn't pay attention to it. The sparrow had a nice song of hope, but was ignored as the poet was busy. The poet points out that in the rat race of life, rat race means an endless competitive struggle we people have. We have forgotten how to enjoy the beauty of nature. Central idea of the poem. The poet compares the ignorance given to the bird song to the ignorance given to the love and kindness that comes from above. From above means from God for humans. Despite the continuous flow of this kindness or His mercy, humans in the busy world of struggles do not remember to utilize that grace the God is sending for us. Now let us read about the poet. Paul Laurence Dunbar, an African American novelist, poet and playwright. He was born to parents who had been enslaved before the American Civil War. His work often addressed the difficulties encountered by the members of his race and the efforts of African Americans to achieve equality in America. Now tell me, children, how does the song of a bird affect you? Do you stop and listen or carry on with your work? Read the poem and learn how the poet is moved by the chirping of the sparrow. A little bird with plumage brown beside my window flutters down. A moment chirps its little strain, then taps upon my window pane, and chirps again and hops along to call my notice to its song. But I work on, nor heed its lay, till in neglect it flies away. The first stanza describes that a sparrow settles on the windowsill of the poet's house. It flutters, chirps, and hops outside the speaker's window to distract the poet's attention, which the speaker neglects because he's working. Here are some difficult words from stanza 1 and their meanings. Plumage, feathers that cover a bird's body. Flutter, to move with quick movements. Chirp, to make short high-pitched sound. Strain, tune. Hop, to move in quick leaps. Heed, to pay attention to. Lay, hear, song. Ballad, neglect, ignore. The poetry to be continued in the next PPT. Now it's time for assignment. Read the stanza given below and answer the questions that follow. And chirps again and hops along to call my notice to its song. But I work on, nor heed its lay, till in neglect it flies away. Who does it refer to? Why does it chirp and hop? Why does it fly away? Answer the following questions briefly. First, where is the poem set? What is the poet doing at the time? What did the sparrow do to attract the poet's attention? That's all for today, children. Take care.